Welcome to the Caribbean.
Dreamers, we're here at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. Kelly and I came down here for a mother-son weekend. We just pulled in and we don't have to go to the front desk. Literally, we just park in our building and walk right to our room. We pull out the My Disney Experience app and we can actually unlock our door using our smartphone. Isn't that the coolest thing ever? So it saves you time waiting in line at the front desk. You just go right to your room. All right, let's see if it works.
Yay.
Oh, that's so cool.
That.
Door unlocked. Seriously, that is so awesome. Skip the front desk, go right to the room. Love that option. We're gonna go check out the room. And we've stayed here before, so Kelly and I know this room. I know you guys may not know this room, so you guys know what time it is? Tim, take it away. It's room tour time. We are settled in our room and we are getting hungry. So we're gonna hop on the shuttle bus and head to Disney Springs. That is a Star Wars tree. Kelly noticed it because of the lightsaber at the top. It's snowing in Florida. To Deluxe Burger for dinner, and I just use the mobile ordering so we don't have to wait in line. Love that mobile ordering.
Right over here, I have your shakes over here.
Okay, thank you. Kelly, want to grab the shakes? Actually have a map that you can pick up at guest relations, and it shows where all the trees are.
Yeah.
And you have stickers, right?
Yes.
That is definitely Pluto's tree with the big old turkey leg on there. This is Minnie Mouse's and Mickey Mouse's tree. Isn't that cute? With the yellow and the red, and even on the very top is a polka dot bow. After you finish the entire scavenger hunt, you can head back to guest services and they will give you a button. You get your own Christmas tree button, which is kind of fun. The tree stroll. We had to stop by the candy shop to get something fun and sweet. Maybe an apple? Lemonades? We are back in the room after having fun at Disney Springs. Definitely going to be watching some Disney Channel and eating this cookie. If you had fun at Disney Springs with us, and make sure you click the red subscribe button. Our next video is going to be pretty amazing. We're at Magic Kingdom to see all of the Christmas fun at Magic Kingdom. Hope you guys can join us then. Keep on dreaming. Bye. Love you all.
Over.